Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 10, lines and angles. Okay, from book CPA is page number 145. Okay, so actually in the last lecture we have done what is angle, lines, point, ray, line segment. Okay, and types of angles. Okay, actually we have done types of angles. Okay, and second one is pair of angles. Pairs of angles. Okay, it's two types. Firstly, actually we have one is complementary. Complementary angles. What is complementary angles? Means sum of two angles is equal to 90. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. And second one is supplementary. Supplementary angles. Means sum of two angles is equal to 180. Sum of two angles is equal to 180. Okay, complementary is pair of angles complementary. Sum of two angles is 90 and supplementary sum of two angles is 180. Okay, actually we have done in the last lecture. So now exercise 10.1. Okay, question number 1, part A. Which of the following pair of angles are complementary? So we have first 31 degree, 71 degree. Check is it complementary or not. Means what is complementary? The definition of complementary is sum of two angles is equal to 90. It means we have two angles, sum of two angles. Check it. Its sum is 201 degree. So is equal to 102 is equal to 90 degree? No. Okay, it means no. This is not complementary. Yes, complementary angles. Okay, understood? In the second part, B is 25 degree, 65 degree. Is it complementary? So, adding sum of two angles is equal to 0.89 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Yes, it means yes. It is a complementary angle. Complementary means sum of two angles is equal to 90. Actually, these are some easy questions. B question number 2. In each case, find the angle that is complementary to the given angle. We have an equal part is 20 degree. Okay. Is it in each case find the angle. Find the angle. हमें angle find करना है that is complementary to given angle. हमें वो angle find करना है जो एंगल हम इसमें प्लस करें तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बन जाए. ऑब्वियसली 90 इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल, -20 इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. इट मींस हम इसमें 70 डिग्री ऐड करेंगे तो 90 डिग्री बनेगा. ओके, कितना उसमें एंगल ऐड करें? 20 में कितना ऐड करेंगे 90 बन जाए 70. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. Okay, बच्चे. So now question number 3. Which of the following pair of angles are supplementary? Supplementary means sum of two angles is equal to 180. So part A 128 degree, 62 degree. So is it supplementary? Supplementary means sum of two angles means Sum of two angles. So plus is 2, 8, 10, 1, 6 to 8, 1, 9. So is it 180 or not? It means no. Is it 190? It means no. These angles are not supplementary. Understood, बच्चे? So now question number 4. In each case find the angle what is supplementary to the given angle. अब हमें वो एंगल फाइंड करना है जिसको हम ऐड करके सप्लीमेंट्री बना लें. जैसे 4 is 8, 43. अब इसमें कितना एंगल ऐड करेंगे कि सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल बन जाए. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल मींस 180 बन जाए. हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं 180 में से इसको माइनस कीजिए. It's 7, it's 5, 3 is 1. It means 137. अगर हम 137 से प्लस करेंगे तो 180 बन जाएगा. ओके ओके बच्चे. Actually these are some easy questions. Okay, so that's why I am doing fast. So now question number 5. So now slow. Question number 5 part. We have this type of diagram. It's O, it's F, it's E. Okay, this is 90 angle. This is A. This is 40 degree. In each diagram AOB, this is AOB. Okay, is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Okay, I have told you in the last lecture, straight line means this angle, if we will get upper angle, it belongs to 180. Okay, on the other side, if we take this angle, it's also 180. And the whole angle is 360. Okay, so now the straight line, just opposite angle we have, it means if all angles belongs to, sum of all angles belongs to 180. Here is nothing but devoting this, it means this angle is 90. Okay, so now sum of all angles is equal to 180, means where is 40 angle is 90 plus A is equal to 180. Okay, so now adding, it's 130 plus A is equal to 180. So now 130 goes to the right side and sign will be changed. 180 minus 130 is equal to 15. It means A angle belongs to 50 degree. Okay, understood? I hope you have understood what is I have done. So this is the question number 1 to 5. I hope you have understood the concepts of these questions. Belongs to complementary and supplementary. Complementary means sum of two angles is equal to 90. Supplementary, sum of two angles is equal to 180. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.